Good evening, friends. This is time for the daily trade review that we do. As of right now, it's I think uh, about 9 o'clock on 24th of November, and SGX Nifty, as you can see here, is at 13,122. If we look at the S&P 500, that seems to be breaking out as well. Now, it's very important to understand this context. Early morning, before our market started, Trump, I think, had given clearance to the transition to happen in the US. So, that saga of Trump creating trouble is now over. Plus, Biden has indicated that he will appoint Janet Yellen as the Treasury Secretary. So instead of putting somebody like Bernie Sanders or Elizabeth Warren, etc., he has chosen a dove person, that the market knows is a dove and will continue the money printing policies. So that way, uh, the markets opened with a gap up above 13,000 and continued higher, closing near the high point of the day. Now, before we move forward, some announcement items. The join button is available with various packages, and that can be taken to get regular insight into what I am doing and suggesting to my clients. It's very, very affordable. So, if you want some hand holding, some guidance during the day, that's a good alternative. Also, this Saturday, we have our live webinar. So this is possibly the one of the last live webinars that I'll be doing. After that, it will just be a recorded webinar, which is also available. And the price of live is about 20,000 plus GST, and the price of recorded is 2,000 plus GST. For all information, you can contact on WhatsApp 98710 66337, and on email ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI underscore GUJRAL at yahoo.com. So now let's look at what was the advice we gave in the morning and how it worked out. Okay, now this is what we said. A Nifty view this morning remains range bound. We intend to buy at 12,800 and book profits around 13,000. This was before the SGX was showing big upside. Bank Nifty we want to buy around 28,600 and take profits around 29,500. Okay, and the day trading call we gave was Motherson Sumi. Now, as soon as the market opened, uh, the call we gave was to buy 29,500 call. Day trading call was HDFC Bank, which was a buy with a stop of 1410 and look for 1445. Now, after it went up a little bit, the calls did not perform initially, and I'll explain to you why. The Bank Nifty, as you can see here, The bank nifty was extremely range bound and was trading at the upper end of its range after we opened this morning. So somewhere here it was finding a lot of resistance, and this was where the calls were not appreciating, because this happened to be a fairly significant resistance, which was the upper end of the boundary. So that way the calls did not do well initially. So we got out of calls, and then, because middle of the day bank nifty started to lose momentum, HDFC Bank, etc., started to come off. uh, Somewhere here we got into puts, because this was a sort of an M pattern which was forming, and it worked for a while and we made some small money. Now the question I am getting a lot is, why did I go long after exiting the puts? Those who have done our course know that if you have a big red bar and has no follow through, this is a buy pattern. So when you see this started to form, it was clear that shorts are trapped on the downside. And last hour, I think I said at 2:30 that you will see 200-point rally from the 230 level. And what that has also done is that the bank nifty has now started to break on the upside. So this has started to expand. And that is the reason we carried our bank nifty calls, although we were making money. Chances are tomorrow morning the bank nifty opens very close to 30,000, if not above those levels. So you have to see which days you will use for carrying. So that way, it turned out to be a good day, and tomorrow morning by like uh, 9:45, 10 o'clock, we are likely to take profits on our bank nifty positions. As of right now, the S&P 500 is doing extremely well, and the SGX, etc. Everything, all indications are that we should open very well. And from here, what we expect is that Nifty could get up to 13,300 thereabouts, and the Bank Nifty could go to 30,300, 400. So that way, tomorrow you are likely to see the Bank Nifty get to 30,000. Important bit, I did a 1.5 volume on the upside on Bank Nifty, and I did uh, the normal volume on the downside. Why? Because it's clear that the Bank Nifty is ready to expand. So on the upside, you want to play bigger. On the downside, you want to play smaller, because that is against the trend. So volume is in our hands, price is not. So very important that people should learn to use volume. Why? Because see, the call that we bought was hardly 145. So even on a percentage wise, when I do a 1.5 volume, that basically gives me much better percentage return also. Plus, I am trying to buy into an expansion. So both these factors made me do 150% volume and carry at the same time. Now let's see how our clients did for the day. Most important thing, at no point we lost money at no point, lost money as in on a net basis. This is what uh, I have on my running positions, and our clients did almost 1 lakh. This screenshot, very consistent, uh, student that we have here. Again, another person, 43,000. Yet another one, 6,028. So, there is consistent profitability that people are achieving. And main issue is that we don't get stuck to our opinions and views. Again, like I said in the videos, how much did the market beat me and how much did I beat the market? As you can see here, look at the one losing position and look at the winning positions. So that is the ratio you need to maintain on a daily basis. Okay. Do not tolerate losses beyond a point of time. So basically, let's see how it works out tomorrow. Meanwhile, trade well. Please consult your financial advisor. And I think tomorrow we are looking at a big day, both on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So we'll update whatever happens tomorrow when we close this position. But consistency, how to play big, these are the key messages of this video. And consistently, if you are able to, carry money home, that is the whole objective of this activity. So take care and good night.